Let's learn how to sign SETH can understanding and SETH can understanding. All right, we have the question, statement, and we're going to jump in and start with the statement. So here's what it looks like. Okay, let's break it into parts. First, we have the name. All right, so let's fingerspell. S-E-T-H. Seth. Seth. A little bit quicker. Seth. Seth. Okay, good, good. Can. Here is the sign for can. Okay, hand shapes are the same for both hands. Yahoo! Okay, they're going to be the letter S. Aha! Like S in the alphabet. You could also say like fists. Put up your dukes. Aha! I'm holding two S's. How do you make S's? Well, go like this. Fingers together. Bring them down. Put your thumb in front, and now you have two fists. Now take those fists. Put them about here. The palms are facing down or kind of inward, right? Now we just drop them straight down. Can. Can. From the side. Can. Other side. Can. From the front again. All right. Starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Can. Can. Okay, quick review. Just use those S's, the fists, hand shapes. Put them here, right here, and just drop them down. Can. Okay, we just talked about how to sign can. Understanding. Here is the sign for understanding. Okay, we're going to be using the same hand shapes, the same movements, even though they're placed just a little bit apart, different, okay? So, let's take a look at the flicking motion. We're going to use our index finger, and it's going to be behind the thumb a little bit, and we're just going to flick it out, all right? So the palms are going to be facing in, and you're going to be going like that. All right, we're going to be making the motion with both hands. Now, the sign for understanding is based on the sign for understand. And here's how we sign understand. You can nod a bit. Understand. It's up here. It's close to my head, right? Understand. Okay, now to sign the concept of understanding, kind of like, you're compassionate, you see what's going on, maybe empathetic, something like that. Understanding, we're going to go like this. All right, so we're going to do 1 flick, 2 flicks, and a 3rd flick, and then nod. Understanding. Understanding. From the side. Understanding. Other side. Understanding. All right, from the front again. Understanding. All right, rest position. Sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Understanding. Understanding. Okay, now there is another sign which is similar, but it's different enough that once you know the difference, it will be no problem. It's the sign for popcorn. All right, so this is what popcorn looks like. All right, now see, it has that flicking motion. I'm just going twice, 1, 2, and it's out in front of me. All right, so let's see. Here's the test. First, I'm going to sign understanding, and then I'm going to sign popcorn, and you see if you can work out the difference. Okay, here we go. Here is understanding. And popcorn. All right, so can you see the difference? Well, the main difference is that popcorn is out in front. Just imagine, it's hot popcorn, hot pan, whatever you're using to make the popcorn, it's hot. So keep it in front of you, right? Popcorn. Now for understanding, because it's based on the sign understand, keep it close to the head. understanding. All right, once again, popcorn, bonus sign, yahoo! Popcorn, understanding. Okay, quick review of the hand shapes. We're going to be using this, and we're flicking out the index fingers, right? Because that is understand. That's what understanding is based on, understand. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and do some head shaking. Oh yeah, I gotcha, understanding. Okay, we just talked about how to sign understanding. Okay, it looks like we have all the parts for the sentence. Why don't we start signing and do it? This is the statement, okay? So neutral expression on your face, maybe not a bit, but remember, no questions, no eyebrows like that, just Here we go. Seth can understanding. Seth can understanding. Okay, again, let's do it a few times. Sign with me. Okay, let's jump to the question. Remember, yes, no question. Raise those eyebrows. Lean forward a little bit. Pretend like you're looking over a fence. That's how this facial expression is how we're going to communicate a yes, no question. So sign, you can sign Seth and can and not have any facial expression. But once you get to understanding, make sure those eyebrows are up. When you get to the end of the sentence, eyebrows up, lean forward. Okay, let's do it. Seth can understanding. Seth can understanding. All right, a few times. Here we go. All right, back to the statement. Let's do it. And the question. Okay, wonderful. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign Seth can understanding. And Seth can understanding. Okay, good.